Hey, this is Don Trader again. I wanted to give you some free tips and tricks on your website again. And I'm on your website and wanted to talk about trust. So Google is, how you rank higher on Google is Google wants to trust your website. They want to give the best solution to what people are searching for and Googling for. And so when I throw your website into this tool, it shows zero trust. So just to give you kind of an idea here. So let's say a Kenosha Plumber, and I'm just going to choose one of these. So let's see, got Southport Heating, they're huge. Roto-Rooter, everybody's heard of Roto-Rooter, so I'm going to throw them in there real quick. Roto-Rooter.com. So they got 33 trust flow. They are a national organization, so that only makes sense. But just some ideas to get some easy backlinks. If you can go to blogs or forums or anywhere where you like hanging out on the internet, if you can just put a backlink of your website, that would help your trust flow. So just to show trust like Google.com, 99, Facebook. These are kings of the internet. So like if you could put your link in your Facebook, that would give you a little bit of trust from Facebook. It flows downhill. So one thing I noticed too about let me go back to our website here. Looks like these guys, Westwards, built your website. I'll throw their website in here just for fun. So they got that link going back to their website, and this is their trust flow. And if you look at their backlinks here, so these are probably all their clients, and they have a little backlink going back to their website. I'm just assuming here, but they got a ton of trust. But they're taking it, yeah, built by Westwards down here. So beautiful websites, but they're getting link juice, it's called. Some of that trust is it's flowing downhill to them, and your website doesn't have any. So one of the things when I do is part of my SEO campaigns is I build backlinks back to a website. So you can do this too in your own spare time, and that should help, and that would instantly get you some rankings. Just looking at some of these websites, like just do one more Kenosha Plumber. I don't think they have a lot of. Let's see. I'll try this one. Southportheating.com. Kenosha. Go back to Majestic here. The summary. So trust flow zero. So they don't even have a lot of trust. Let's try some of these other. It's going to be real easy to rank above these guys. They just want to be plumbers. Kenosha Plumbing. It says number 2, but they're number 1 on their Yelp. I'm gonna pull their. They also have zero trust from Google, but so I think it would be very easy to take your website and rank it above all these. I like to call them third graders that they don't know how to rank a website. So just some ideas. If you could just throw your link out there in a few places, you know, just throw. Yeah, they have no backlinks. So just some ideas. Any forums or blogs that you're on, especially the trades, Google trusts that. It looks natural. It looks normal. If you have backlinks coming from another trade website or a blog that's about plumbing or handyman or anything about anything in the area, and you could do like a PR public release or press release. I mean, so just some ideas. I'm going way over on my video, so hope this helps. Let me know if you got any questions, and have a good weekend.